Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Hope you all are well. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix your index time counting problem. So let's do this. Here you can see that when I try to connect my PC with AnyDesk, it's asking for purchase a license and the time counting start here. When I close it, it's connecting. Now before solve this problem, make sure you save your previous session IDs. You can take a screenshot or a picture. Otherwise you will lose your previous session IDs. Also make sure you close your index properly. Now to fix this problem, first go to your C drive. Now click on view and then tick mark on hidden items. Then go to users. Then open your users folder. This is my user folder. Then open app data and then roaming. Here you will find this index folder. Just delete this one and you are done. Now open your index software and try to connect other index. I hope you will not see again that time counting issue. Here you can see that my previous session IDs has been deleted. So save your previous session ID before doing this process. Now if I try to connect with another index, okay, here you can see it's connecting and the time counting problem has been solved. Okay, now I can access another PC with my index. So friends, that's all. Hope these tricks will help you. Like, share, subscribe now. See you again. Tata.